Did you know Australia once went to war against birds and lost? In 1932, thousands of emus invaded Western Australian farmland, destroying crops and frustrating farmers. The government responded by deploying soldiers armed with machine guns to battle the birds. Despite firing over 9,000 rounds, the emus proved too fast and elusive. The operation was a spectacular failure. The birds simply outran the bullets and scattered. The Great Emu War ended with the emus victorious, leaving the government embarrassed and the birds free to roam.